Hi there folks, it's Jonathan Denwood here, and in this video I will be doing a comparison between LearnDash and Tutor LMS. Which one might be the right solution for you? Which are the key differences between these two great solutions? I think I've got some great insights. I will be back in a few moments, folks. So, bit of a head-to-head on LearnDash versus Tutor LMS. What are some of the key things that you need to know? Well, first of all, they're both WordPress solutions. So if you want to use either of these, you've got to be using WordPress, which I think is an excellent idea. I know there's some really good SaaS, software as a service solutions, but I think if you're going to build a membership website and invest your time and energy, that ownership, digital sovereignty, building something that you own rather than leasing a platform is the best way to go. And for that reason, I would always go with a WordPress solution. But you're not compromising anything utilizing either of these platforms because they're both really, really good. So I wanted to get that out the way. Second, LearnDash has been around a lot more than Tutor LMS. It's a very mature platform. I think it was the first or one of the first learning management plugins on the market. It's been updated. It's powerful. It's got a modern interface. When it comes to Tutor's been out for the past couple of years, so it's definitely not new. It's got a slightly more polished, modern interface than even LearnDash. One of the reasons why they've grown traction is they offer a quite good free option with Tutor LMS. It's not crippled. If you want to sell your courses, you do have to get the Premier solution of Tutor. When it comes to LearnDash, it starts at $199 for a one-site license. You can't actually sell courses with that $199. Well, you can and you can't. But the reality is either you've got to get a membership plugin that will work with LearnDash, or you've got to buy LearnDash's membership plugin, which is another $199. So the reality is you're looking at $498 to get up something, or you can use WooCommerce. So that they're the main things, both of them. You got to pay some money to actually sell your membership. So keep that in mind. One does offer a free and it's not crippled, but you are going to have to buy the Pro. The same with LearnDash, or you're going to have to use WooCommerce. And if you're going to use WooCommerce, you're going to have to get the WooCommerce subscription add-on, which is a couple $100 plus itself. So keep that in mind. Are there any other really large details? Well, like I said at the beginning of this, the interface with Tutor LMS, the UX design, the usability of the platform is a little bit more modern. But on the other hand, LearnDash slightly behind that, but there's a lot more add-ons, which isn't the responsibility of Tutor LMS. But if you're in the WordPress system, how a particular key Lego brick, and that's how I see these big plugins as Lego bricks. If you're going to utilize a particular large Lego brick, how it works with other large Lego bricks is important. And with LearnDash, it's been around a lot more. It's got a lot more user base. So the Lego bricks from the third party connect much more easier. But don't get me wrong, Tutor's still pretty good as well. The other factor is just the educational material out there. There's a lot more YouTube videos, posts, it goes on and on out there. So to get up and running, both are pretty easy to get up and running. If you can spend a couple of hours learning the ropes, it just depends on your experience with WordPress or some other SaaS platform. The other key thing you got to understand, how do they work with the Gutenberg, which is the native um, uh, building block, website page building block. The great thing with LearnDash is the parent company also own one of the leading page builders that has been built on Gutenberg technology, Cadence WP, and it works flawlessly with LearnDash. So that's a big driver. Now, when it comes to Tutor, the integration with the leading page builders is there. Gutenberg based or non-Gutenberg, I'm mainly talking about Elementor. Elementor really works with LearnDash as well, but it works. But if you're looking for Gutenberg and you're looking for the most powerful, easy way to work with Gutenberg, with LearnDash, going the Cadence WP route is a great idea because it's one of the best platforms out there to build a WordPress website on, in my opinion. You know, if you're the power DIY or you're first entering, building your first membership site, you're going to be delighted with that combination of Cadence WP and LearnDash. You just are. So, to the conclusions. Now, if you're really struggling money-wise and you want to get something up and running and you don't want to spend any money, Tutor LMS is a great solution. I actually think in the free area, it's head-to-head with another platform called Lifter LMS. And I actually would go with Lifter LMS if the free element of this is really, really important to you. Now, if you've got some kind of budget, then it's a more difficult call in some ways because both are pretty good. I've got to say that the Tutor interface, their documentation, and just getting it set up is pretty slick. And when it comes to just nice UX and flow, it's a bit more polished than LearnDash. But on the other hand, LearnDash, like I say, you've got all these add-on third-party integrations, and the educational side. So it's a really hard one to call. But if I'm pushed, I would still go with LearnDash because of all the other factors that I've talked about in this video. Now, if you're looking for more information, you can go to, I've written a post on this. You'll find a link in the video description underneath that goes into all this, even in a lot more detail. Plus, there's a load of additional info on the WP-Tonic website. Plus, you can join the Membership Machine Show Facebook group, and love you to join that. And we've got a great resource, free resource there that can help you and give you a load more advice on this whole subject. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because that really encourages me to make more of these videos. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.